Okay, we are rolling. So, what next? From our documentation, from our lecture material, we have your first fast API app. Okay, you've done that. Now try running the server, running it on localhost. Let me see. Where's that UVCon? Wait, hold on. UVCon main app reload. You understand? Try running it. Do you get this? Hold on. Let me send the command. You know it already, ba? UVCon main app reload. Are you sure that's it? Let me see your this thing. Okay, it's main.py. Let me see your source code. The main.py. Yeah, your main.py is empty now. From fast API, import fast API. Yes, yes. Then enter another line. App equals fast API. App equals fast API. Hey man, how far now? You never talk anything since. Not be so. You have you solved that issue? We'll try now. No, we'll try again. We'll try again. We'll try again. Let's go. Let's go. Then at app dot get, you get forward slash. Go to your chat so that will save more time. Go to your chat. The Discord chat. Unscripted. Then you see it in. You have seen it, ba? No, 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 not that. Oh. Wait, let's see. The sync. Def. Did you save it? Okay, try. Let's try it. System cannot find the file specified. Why? Why is it showing you that? 1 second, let me answer a call. Hello, mommy. Yes, yes, I've done it. Mm. Okay, okay. I've done it. Go and check. It's fine. I've done it. I did meeting. I will call you once I'm done. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Can you hear me? So I'm back. So what's his name? Unscripted. Can you hear me? Okay. So what's the cause? They're unable to create process using blah 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 main app reload. The system cannot find the file specified. So this is main.py.venv. Hmm. Why? Why can't your system find it? Message. Hello world. Roots. Let me see. Let me compare this in my code. Read. Remove that async, async def. Let me show you what I have on my own code. Yeah. Wait, let me send you what I have here. So you just copy it and paste it. Yes. So look at what I sent you. Let's try this. Hey man, we are coming to your own end though. Do you get? So we'll solve that issue. Process using python.exe. Okay. I think it's not using which Python? Check the Python you have installed, the version. Because it's as if it's trying to create it from the use the global Python um instead of the normal Python. The normal Python in your virtual environment rather. Okay. Okay. 3.13 should work now, right? 3.7 because we needed Python 3.7 or higher. So let's see. Close the editor entirely. Yes, use your or use there's this thing they use to end close applications entirely, then open it again. Task manager in hand for Windows. Use task manager. Yes, to kill the process. Okay, open task manager, use task manager to close VS Code, or just close VS Code entirely, then go back there again. Okay, let me do. Hey man, share your screen. Let me see. Let me see what you have. The problem you have. But first of all, hey man, are you there? Okay. Let me share my screen. You guys see what we are trying to achieve first, and then both of you will run it. Do you get? All right. Let me share my. Can you hear me? I said, let me share my. Yeah, I said let me share my screen. Once I share my screen, both of you will see what I'm trying to achieve, and then we run it together. Do you get? We try to achieve it on your own system and the other an unscripted system. Let's go. All right. Just chill. All right. So, can you guys see my screen? Okay, so let me clear this. So we are not yet in. Remember, we already have the. Let me see. Is this it? Okay. The virtual environment files already. She get so to activate my own virtual environment. This source fast API workshop being activate. You understand? So once I do that, once I run it, what happens is it you will see this. Sure, you can see this place I highlighted, the fast API workshop folder. Do you get unscripted in your own? You named it. I don't know what you named your virtual environment .venv. You understand? There's a way you can use to modify that, but far from that, what we have is, let's see what Python version is running. 3.9.6 is higher than 3.7. So now to run this using UVCon, to run a local um, server that we can use to, yes, to implement this fast API thingy we see here. We'll now come here. Where is that code here? This, you see this UVCon main app reload. That's what we are going to use. Do you get? Can you guys see my screen? Okay, so we're going UVCon on main app reload. So let's see. I say this is how it's supposed to show. Do you get? So it's already running. You understand? It started the server process. Can you see it here? So I don't know why. Yes, exactly. So you can, if I can click the browser, I can click, see control. Let me see, control C now, or command click. Sorry, command click for it to open here. You understand? So once it opens here, as we saw before, this was where we stopped last week. You understand? You're seeing message, hello world. Do you get? If I want to change, let's say I want to change this now, what I'll just do, I'll come here. I'll say, let's see, let me add something else. Um, people, no, let me do it. This syntax is not correct. Let me use another thing. Supposed to be JSON, but let's see. Unscripted status. Instead status. Let's say you're present here. Present. So if I go there, what's supposed to happen is it's supposed to change. Yeah, let me refresh here. Are you seeing it? You're seeing it. So it's present. So basically, what we just, this thing is very simple. Oh. What we just need to do here, just get this thing running on your machine, so that we go to the next level. Am I communicating? Sharp. Alright, okay. So let me stop streaming. Iman, get your stuff ready. Let's be running through what unscripted is doing. Unscripted, share your screen. Let's try to run it again. Then, Iman, while we are doing that, we'll be waiting for you. I don't want us to waste too much time on this part that is easy. Share you get. So, hmm, hmm, hmm. Let me see. Let me watch the stream. Yes, did it work? Paste in UVcon. That means UVcon is not installed. Try pip installing. Oh, okay, you're already in your virtual environment. Cool. Try pip installing UVcon. Yeah. Okay, that means you need UVcon now. So you need to install UVcon. Maybe that was why the process could not create that server. UVcon ORN. Iman, how far now? Okay, you ready, ba? Sharp, 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 my guy. We are progressing. We'll, it's running, ba? Oh yeah, check. 127.00. Click it. Control click. So I will go to it. Yeah, let me see. Let me see. Iman is remaining you. We'll get the web. We'll do it together. Sharp. Yes, sharp. Iman. Oh yeah, your turn now. Let me see. Yes. Wait, oh. Okay. Two people can even stream together. Let me see. Okay. Requires the IPy kernel package. What exactly are you running? Let me see. Remove, cancel. Emma, what unscripted, what are you trying to say? So it should effectively start again now. Yeah. Move to recycle bin. Just type terminal. Okay, sure. Okay. Create virtual environment. Yes, VENV. Mm, Use 3.13, the first one. Then no. Put the name. Wait. Put the name of the environment. Put Fast API Workshop. No. Go back there. Type in Fast API. Yeah, Fast API Workshop. Delete everything. What did you say? Yes, you can delete everything. Then put Fast API Workshop. API. Put hyphen or that dash or underscore. Don't worry. No. Yes, good. Continue. API again. Yes. Hyphen. Yes. Workshop. Something like that. So that it will be descriptive. Cool. Now enter. Then do we need any PyPI packages? I don't think we need any for now. Just skip package installation. Press down arrow. Press down like yours, down arrow. No, don't. Good. Skip package installation. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Good. Fast API Workshop. Now you will have to be working with your terminal. You can close that other this thing. Close that other interactive. No, the one by the side in the other pane. Yes, interactive. This, yes, exactly. Just interactive one. Good. Okay, no problem. Do you use the toilet and come back? Oh. All right. ISO clients. You have lots of um stuff here. Now open your terminal, Sha. Open your terminal. Command Shift P. Control Shift P. Sorry. I'm using Mac 9. Yeah, terminal. Then no. Right terminal. 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 Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Create new terminal with profile. Aha. They can use command prompt. Yes. Yeah. Good. Now you're in your okay. Your this thing is already activated. Safe. Right clear so that I'll see your your virtual environment. You see that thing where you're saying Fast API Workshop. You understand by the left. It's already activated. All right. Clear. CLS. Then enter. Type CLS. Then enter. Enter. Yes. Cool. So there are a couple of things you need to change in your code. Instead of putting that async, you move that async def. You understand? Understand we may need it, but remove the async def. Just make it only def. Def is a function you're creating. Yes. 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 Yeah. Make this is a remove that first space before def. No, go up ahead. Remove that space. No, Control Z. Let me see. Open it. Open that what do they call it? Make it drop down so that we'll see the complete. No, double click it. Let me see. Double click it. Yes, open it. Let me see the contents of that function. Type a good, good. Then move your cursor to beginning of DEF. Then delete that space. Yes. Delete all those spaces. Good. Very good. Yes. So message hello world. Let's see. Let's see. Um Zoom in. Okay. Okay. Close your this thing. Close your no. Hold on. Okay, it's okay like that. Def root return. Okay. Now go to terminal. Go to your terminal. Yes. Mm, write pip install fast API uvcon space no space yes uvcon UVICORN. Yes, unscripted. Welcome back. Enter. Good. Then at the end of today's workshop, people should remind me so that I'll add you people to the training from Nvidia. Is that okay? Yeah. So I'll send you guys the stuff, the RSVP, so you people join in. I think it's the cage. You remove the cage now, so everything removed. All right. I think it has downloaded. Good. Now run. Okay, you can upgrade. Pip install. Just do pip install upgrade pip. Yeah. Remove. Go to the back. No, go down. Remove that M. That's yes. Press up. Then move. Yes, exactly. Move your cursor down to the back. You can't use your this thing. Is a terminal. You can't really use your this thing. So just use your arrow key. Yeah. No. Hey. Oh yeah. Right. Remove everything completely. Pip install. Install. Upgrade. PIP. Good. Good. We are making small progress. Let me see. What did you run before? Okay. See what you do. Press clear. CLS. It's not really going to. Yes. CLS. Then enter. It's not really going to disturb. Good. So what's going to happen here is now we are going to run. You're going to run uvcon. You're going to run the server now. Start running the server. So uvcon. Type it to uvcon. Unscripted alpha now. Uvcon. Main space main. Go back small. Um, that colon. Mm-mm. The other one. That's semicolon. I think that's a semicolon. No, no, no. The other one that is just direct point point. Yeah. Yes, good. App. Space. Space. Put space. Yeah. No, 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 no. App. No. Go front to the ending. No. Remove that space. Yes. Yes, yes. Remove that space. No. Main semicolon app. Do you get a hand? Semicolon app app and then space now. Hyphen twice. Reload. No, 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 no. Dash dash ahead. Reload. No. Dash dash. Dash and dash. No. No, no, no. Dash ahead. Reload. Uh, DD. Good. Yes, enter. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now we are talking. Oh yeah, go to your browser. Go to your browser. Or go to that see that HTTP instead of going to your browser yet. See that HTTP 127.0. Control click. Hold control then click it. No, control click. Hold control then click it. Yeah. I seen. Oh, the thing you even have V8 engine running in your code editor. That's nice. So if you want to change this message to hello world now, this message to my name is Iman, what do you do? Show me what you will do. Show me. No, no, no. You don't need to clear it. Just show me what you don't no. Just show me what you do. I want to know if you were following. Good, good. Yes. Now to do it, let me see. Go to main.py. Go to main.py. See main.py there. Good. Then yes, yes, changing. Yes, something like that. Good. Yeah, Emmanuel. Go back. Mm-hmm. Yeah, save. You don't save Amba. Now tap that click on that second tab. That second tab 127.0.00.0.0.1. That second tab just to the right of main.py. Good. Refresh. Yeah, refresh. Let me see. Did you save your main.py? Save it now. Control S, normal. Yes. Good. Oh yeah. Go to 127.0.0.1. Check that second tab. Tap on it. No, no, no. Go to it, tap on it. Hello, Emmanuel. That's great. Clap for yourself. You don't try. Alright. Close your stream. Let's go back to our lecture. stop your what they call it, your stream. All right. So let me share my screen. A window. Ooh. All right. So can you guys see my screen? Has it come up? Okay, good. So let me go back here. So now we've passed the stage of running the application. Yes or yes? Yes. So um automatic API documentation. So fast API can actually help us generate interactive documentation for our code automatically. Do you get? You guys, your this thing is still running. So what will happen is it's like instead of sharing your screen, you can just make screenshots and paste it in the chat, so that I'll be understanding. I'll be in line with you people. So you can use Swagger UI. You can use Swagger UI to generate documentation about your code, or you use Redoc. So let me go back to where we had this. You see my screen bar? Good. So 127.0.0.1 Let's see. 127.0. Let's see. Okay, I'm unscripted. Your status is present. So right, let's go back to here. They said if you want to do it, you put docs. You append docs to um the address. You understand? So let's see. Um, let's see docs. Are you seeing? This is documentation, basic documentation for your code. So what it does is the default is, you see that part where we have this forward slash. You understand? Automatic documentation is basically what it does to the server is a get request to get the root page. Do you get? So let's see, what we were getting was a string. Okay, successful response. If we get code 200 is a successful response and all what's not. So the point is, what it just generates, is a documentation for your code automatically. All these things now, you don't really have to go and start writing the HTML CSS needed to like show it like this. Do you get? It will just show everything. eh you can just use what? Thank you very much, you are getting it. Iman, are you understanding? Iman. eh Sharp, sharp, sharp. So this one is for, as we look at it, it's for Swagger UI. You understand? There's the other one, Redoc. So what you just do, you just come here. Where is this one? Instead of docs, you change it to Redoc. You understand? This one too is the same thing. It's going to bring about automatic documentation for your API spec. Do you get? So that's just that on that. Let's leave that. So we're going to go to the next one. Part. Hey, I have a meeting by 5. Fuck. Okay, so hold on. One sec. One sec. 1 second. Hold on. So path parameters. Do you get path parameters? Let's check what path parameters are. Does any of us know what a path parameter is? Unscripted. Okay, let me explain something to you guys now. You made a nice try. So, what are they now? You say path parameters lets you capture values from the URL itself. So what happens is Fast API automatically validates and converts them to the correct Python type. Do you get? So let's look at this code here now. We say app.get items slash items slash item ID. Do you get? Async def read underscore item ID blah blah blah, return item ID, the item. If you try it, what the key point here? The key point is if you pass an item and the ID, say 5, let's say for example, let's say, see this. Wait, hold on. Let me just show you people the example. Like now, let's say local hosts. Are you with me? 8080, 8080. So the path parameter here now, if I put localhost 8080 books 5, the path parameter here is books and 5. These things here, you understand? You're basically telling the server that you want it to show you the 5th book. Like intuitively, you just tell it, okay, I want you to show me the 5th book in my collection of books. Do you understand now? Okay, do you understand me? Okay, let me give a classic example. Come to Discord now. You see this, if you're seeing here now, you're seeing discord.com channels 142 blah 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 / 146. You understand? So on this Discord website now, the path parameters are these channels. Do you get a hairs? So yes, okay. Mm-hmm. Thing, yes, exactly. Instead of going through the entire thing, instead of going through that, you're just, you understand, doing it your own. You are good, good, good. You're following. Iman, do you understand? Iman, is Iman here with us, eh? Okay, okay. So I think maybe we should do a bit of. Let me copy this and go to. Let me define another route so that what will happen is if I say app.get items item ID, what will happen is this async def, you can open it in another tab and run it. What it means, it will not mean is let's say it will call this function read item, and the read item, the item ID will be, there's what they call pedantic definitions. Pedantic definitions allows you to specify types, you understand, to Python variables. You know, like Python now, you can just say, let me show you an example. A equals my name. Do you get? But what that pedantic definitions does is it allows you to, for example, in C++, you need to specify that this is a string A. But what the pedantic definitions it will helps you to do is it will help you to specify that, okay, that thing you want to put in your web app is a string. You understand? So maybe if another developer wants to use your API, or another developer wants to read your source code, they can be able to understand that, okay, this person meant that this variable now is a string, or is an integer, or is a float, or is a long integer, stuff like that. Do you understand? So that there won't be mistakes. Do you get? So that's the point of pedantic definitions. We'll get to that at some point later. But all in all, as I was saying, back to what we're saying, path parameters. Let me try to see if I can show you guys what I mean. You understand? Let's see. Good. So if you notice, are you guys with me? Hello. Good. If if you notice, you see localhost items 5. You understand? I can change these items to book. It doesn't matter. You understand? But what I'm doing is I'm specifying the parameters I will give to the path. Sure, you understand? So if you press a non-integer 5, blah blah blah, fast API returns a clear 422 unprocessable entity error automatically. Let's say, see what I'm trying to say now. If I put, instead of 5 now, I put ABC. You understand? You are seeing it now. Let me pretty print it now. Good. You're seeing detail, type, int person, log, part ID, blah blah blah. Input should have a valid integer. Unable to pass string as an integer. Are you guys following me? What I put here was a string. Let me remove this code here. A string is just a block of text. Let me just put it a sequence of text. You understand? What I put, I defined it to be at an integer here. Int. Do you people get me? Hey, it's like people are confused though. Okay, good, very, very good. So that's just that. Yes, in here. Don't worry, you like, yes, I can hear you. Yes, I defined it as an integer. As time goes on, please, what you try to do is you read the documentation too. Sure, you get, so that you get a hang on what I've been trying to say. So async def read item, blah blah blah. Do you get? Let me see. Let me add async here too, because this would work so that it makes sense. Good. So that's that on that. Our next thing is query parameters. You understand? So query parameters, what are they? Query parameters appear at the question mark in a URL and are used to filter, sort, or paginate results. Do you get? Let's say, for example, I want to search for, let's say I want to, this is my repository. You understand? I want to search for, let's say I want to search for Rust ahead. You're seeing the results here, ba? You're seeing the results, algorithm, Rust Dex, blah blah blah. Now, what did you notice in here, in this what do they call it, address bar? You notice this small question mark here, ba? Are you seeing it? Wait, let me send you. Yeah, see where my distance is. Wait, let me see whether I can stream, make it bigger. I don't think I can't. I can make it bigger, but here's the point. Let me send you guys the stuff in the charts. So look at the charts. Look at the charts. Now, are you guys looking at the charts? Good. So what did you notice? You will see, let me go back to where you will see https / blah 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 / github.com search. Good. Now that question mark, now after it you see q equals Rust and type equals repositories. That and is that ampersand that you're seeing there. So that's the query parameters. So the query parameters appear after that question mark in a URL, and they are used to filter, sort, or paginate results. Unlike path parameters, they are optional and they have default values. We are going to show how to use it here. So see this block of code here at app-get. This at app.get, now we are using it to define the routes. When I mean routes, let me put it in the routes. The routes. Check your charts. Show me your chart. Check your charts. Good. So we are using it to define the routes we are going to use. Do you get? So what's happening here is, let's take a very quick example. Let me copy this code. Come here. Yeah. So what is gonna happen here is, read item. Okay, async def read. I still have the meeting, but we have to, like, this 5:02. I need to do it by, let's say, within the next 8 minutes. I'm supposed to be done. I want uh yes, be on or before the next 8 minutes. I want you guys to understand the hang of what's going on. I don't know, maybe we'll have to do another workshop this week so that we'll finish up this what do they call it? Uh Fast API tutorial. So next week we go into another topic. Do you get? So I want us to finish up this thing. Do you get? Because see, we have a demo too, creating a to-do API. I don't know whether maybe I'm too slow, or I'm not very fast or hard on you people. You people should tell me if you want me to go faster. You tell me. Yes, yes. Exam. Good, good. So maybe we will have another session, workshop session, within this week. Let's say Saturday, so that we'll finish up everything. What do you guys think? Saturday by 6 o'clock. Iman, what of you? Okay, so Iman, be like you na soldier, oh. Eh? Eh? You say good. Somehow you dey use some kind lingua wey my some kind regulars dey use. Very, very nice. So as I was saying, my guys, so what will happen is, this is 5:04. Let's go small, front small. You understand? Make I even show now my this thing. Be like, say I dey dodge una. This, let me see. I have, shit. 1 second, please, my guys. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So as I was saying, um, ahead. Let's go back to what we were saying before about query parameters. Yes, that was where we at, bar. Good. So query parameters, they will enable you to, like, as I said, filter, sort, or paginate results. You understand? So what's gonna happen is, let's run this code and then let's try it out. So this is the code here. What you're getting, you are still on that items part. You understand? So we are defining skip as an integer from 0, and the limit to 10. You understand? So skip limit. Let's try this out. Let's see. Aha. So if I what's happening here is, if it will return skip. You understand? Based on the query parameters we are putting on in the link. The link is here. Are you guys seeing my screen? Yes, here. Yes, we are seeing skip equals 0 and limit equals 5. Do you understand? So this code here now that we have here, what it's doing is telling us what the skip is. You understand? And what limit is. You understand? Let me give you a classic example. Let me see. Um, let's say we want skip to be 3 and limit should be 8. What are you seeing here now? It has changed, right? The skip, yes, skip is now 3, limit equals 8. So what you need to know here is, you see this question mark here. Do you get what it helps us to do is, it helps us to know, specify. Are you hearing me? Can you guys hear me? Yeah. So it basically help us to specify filtering, sorting, or paginating results, or even give you values that you can inject in your get request or your post request. Do you get? Let's say you want to okay, let's say you have a hash. You understand? You want to assign it to a value and then send that hash to your database. Do you get? You can actually, there are secure ways of appending that hash now to this. When I mean appending, I mean adding that hash now to this, what do we call it, query parameter. You understand? So after, let's say after this question mark, now you can just have, let's say, hash key hash key equals, let's say the hash key is something blah 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 blah. Can you guys see that? Yes. Okay. Oh, no, my screen. Watch the stream. Watch the stream. I'm talking about the stream. So see my screen now. See, if you check here, you see hash something something at, after that question mark, you see hash key equals blah 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 blah. Which web page? Yes. What I'm trying to say is, go through, check that, my, what do they call it? Um, no. The address bar. You understand? The address bar. You see this place I highlighted. Localhost 8,000 items. It's not showing it. Okay. Alright, now let's come to this. You are seeing this keep equals 3, limit equals 8 bar that I highlighted. Now come up now. See this other side I highlighted. What are you seeing there? Okay, let me show you something now. Let me copy this. Let me make a new file. No. Let's see. Um, notes.txt. Okay, so look at what I'm showing. You're seeing this now, huh? Almost. Hold on. Let me stop my stream. Window. Window. My entire screen share. Now, can you see? What can you see now? Can you see the? What can you see now? Can you see it? Can you see my source code? Eh, okay, let me put it in the chat so that we will not waste too much time on this. Now see this now. Let's say, okay, good. Now check your chat. Check the chat. You see something I sent. Localhost 8,000 items. I now did something where I said this question mark hash key. Do you get? Wait, hold on. Let me edit it properly. Good. Now that hash key now you assign it. You can use your server. Your server can use that hash key equals something something to fetch a piece of data for you from, let's say, your database. Do you get? If it is authorized to do that kind of thing. You understand? So as time goes on, we will tend to understand. My time don't go well. We'll understand all these things. I hope I'm not over teaching or pondering, hitting one thing too much. You understand? Because we are slow. We're a bit slow. So we'll have to do this again on Saturday. Hey man, does that work? You understand? So that we'll finish, we see what we need to do. Request body and pedantic models. You understand? We'll need to do a demo. That one we'll code it together. Then we will need to understand HTTP exception. You create and list for your to-do list app. You need to do CRUD, basic read, update, and delete actions. You understand? That's this CRUD we are seeing here. Can you guys see my screen? Then we'll need to understand what dependency injection is. Do you get? We'll do security, OAuth 2 and JSON web tokens. You understand? Then we'll do testing. Then background tasks, when to use them, middleware. Then we'll try to see how we can deploy. That's getting our yes. Do you get? Yes, you understand. You now understand why I'm saying, I was saying this thing. We still have long things to do. You understand? These things are simple. You understand? We don't even necessarily need to deploy them. You understand? But we could just show you, so you get the idea. This is what you need to do. This is what you can do. Do you get that kind of thing? So next steps, you understand, and then resources. Sure you get. So I don't want a situation where I will come teach you people. It will just be like you people we did not know. We don't know anything. We are just, at least you guys understood a bit of what we are doing today now. But Eman, are you with us? Where's Eman? Good. So yes, good. So what's going to happen now is we are going to, due to this my meeting, we're going to end for now. You understand? So let me stop sharing. Let me stop sharing my screen. Yeah. So come next. Let's see which time you guys say Saturday will be okay, va? Saturday, which time? You know we have workspace by 6 to 8. Hey man, are you okay? You're okay with that, ba? Very good, very good. So this one we learned today, I'm going to upload it on YouTube. Do you get? And then from Saturday we are going to have our next workshop. Does that work? All right, great. You guys should have a nice day. Then, is there anything I'm forgetting? Is there anything I'm forgetting? What? Okay, anything. I don't know. Is there anything I'm forgetting? Okay, so oh yeah, now good. So go to the general chat or um yes, go to the general